Abstain means to deliberately choose not to do something, especially when you have an option to participate. It is often used in context like voting or consuming certain things. For example, someone might abstain from alcohol or abstain from casting a vote in an election. Basically, it is a conscious decision to stay out of something. Here are some example sentences using abstain. She decided to abstain from eating sugar for a month to improve her health. Many voters choose to abstain from the election, believing that none of the candidates represented their views. I had to abstain from commenting on the matter because it was too controversial. The doctor advised him to abstain from intense exercise until he fully recovered. Here are some synonyms and meaning for abstain. Refrain, to hold back from doing something. Avoid, to stay away from something deliberately. Forgo, to willingly give up or pass on something. Desist, to stop or restrain oneself from an action. Renounce, to formally reject or refuse something. Withhold, to refuse to provide. Decline, to politely refuse or turn down an option. Each of these carries a slightly different nuance. Some focus on self-control while others imply a formal refusal.